to put it into perspective for people, like, if you don't think you can make that big of a jump, like, you really can. Like, I didn't have any of this shit before, you know what I mean? I didn't have any experience. I didn't know how to run a business. I didn't know how to make money off of the digital world. But, like, you can learn it if you apply yourself and you get around the right people. Like someone like this guy, you know, the possibilities are really endless. You know, it's all about how much you want to put in. And, you know, where he is now, I mean, not just, you know, taking himself, but taking other people with him too along for the ride, you know what I mean? Like, that's when you know that you've got something powerful, that, you know, it doesn't just work for you, it works for the people around you, that you can instill these lessons and, you know, these powerful, you know, ways to, you know, live your life and to, you know, change your life and to make money. And if they work for other people too, it really says a lot, you know? But one thing I do know is the people that are hanging around this guy are seeing big checks, and they're seeing clients, and they're seeing everything they want to see. So, you know, it's like we said, yeah, like we said, you know, it's about what you put into it too, you know? If you want those checks,
you know, a lot of times what I find, you know, it's you see it because you're around me, just people that message me. Sometimes it's, you know, getting a message when you need a message, or getting a response when people are reaching out to you. And that's one thing that I'll say, that, you know, I'm not 100% responsible for anybody out there, but I do know that I give 100% more than probably most do, in the sense that when people are like, they send me a message and they just kind of actually need their day cheered up, or they need reinforcement. You need to, like, believe again. Like I said, you know, one thing I'm real good at is kicking his ass, but, like, you know, sometimes it's just getting to have somebody to encourage you and inspire you, and to have access to them. Having access to people that you can do that and be around them
valuable
is really important.